Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So I know in my previous video I said that I'm going to do like a question and answer. Y'all just comment below about just any questions y'all have about Smile Durect. And for some reason I could not turn my comments on. So hopefully I'll be able to do it with this video. And y'all just comment down below about questions or concerns that y'all have. If y'all have an underbite, I already can't answer for anything else because I don't have that. But yeah, so I just finished a liner 14 and I'm about to switch into my liner 15. I wear this for 1 week, then next week is gonna be 2 weeks. So here are my results from a liner 14. So hopefully y'all can see pretty well. So comment below if y'all see any changes from how my teeth was restart. So I'm about to put a line of 15 in, and okay, so here is the bottom for 15. Hopefully y'all can see that well. The flash on here is really bright, so I'm like, I can't really see. So yeah, here's the bottom, and here's the top. Hopefully y'all can see that well. Let's see how. Yeah. So we're gonna pop the bottom in first. So let's get to it. Alright, so we're just gonna put them right in. At this point, I don't care about chewy. I'm just putting them in and going to sleep. So here we go. Hopefully it fit. Oh my god. Oh. Wow, that hurts. Okay, yeah, that hurt really bad.
That should fall off now. Oh, it's so much thick, wonderful hair.
Look at them, they're so intimate, and you're stuck with milk.
Okay, now, as a volleyball partner, you would not have been my first.
Okay, that'll do for the bottom. So I'm about to put the top in right now. So I'm pretty scared about the top right now because the bottom hurt when I first put it in. Okay.
Come on, Seth, let's get out of here before I throw up. Because when I see other people throw up,
I'm sorry, I'm watching Big Mouth on Netflix right now, so that's what you hear in the background. So I got the top in. So yeah. So guys, this is a liner 15. I am super excited to made it this far. After I put my liner 16 in, I have to order my retainer. So I'm super excited about that. They want me to order it, I think like 2 or 3 weeks ahead of time, so I can get it by my liner 18. And again, hopefully I'll have the comments turned on so y'all are able to ask me any questions, so I can do like a question and answer for Smile Durect. Also, if you do plan to purchase Smile Durect, use my code below. You get $100 off, and your impression kit is free. So, yeah, definitely do that because these liners are like 2,000 or like 1,800, something like that. And yeah, thank you for being along this journey, and have a good rest of your night. I'll see y'all next Tuesday.